Hello all, welcome back to our channel Swati at the Rate Maths. So this is the continuation class of previous class. We have discussed one of the integral form, which is of the form integration of f of ax plus b into dx. Now let us see some more important questions based on our form integration of f of ax plus b. We know the formulas of first one, sine of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. Formula is sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Similarly, formula for 2 cos a sin b is sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Now the third formula is 2 cos a cos b. Which is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Now the last and fourth formula is 2 sin a sin b. Which is equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So by the use of these formulas, we should solve the problems based on integrals of first form. Now let us solve one question. First one, integration of sin 2x cos 3x dx. So here, in order to solve this question, first of all we have to use the formula of 2 sin a cos b. So in order to use 2 sin a cos b, we have to multiply and divide with 2 for this question to get the formula as 2 sin a cos b. So multiply and divide with 2, you will get 2 sin 2x into cos 3x dx. So division of 2 should write outside. Now the given question is of the form 2 sin a cos b. So which is sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So in place of a you are having 2x, in place of b you are having 3x. Therefore 1 by 2 into sine of a plus b is 2x plus 3x plus sine of a minus b is 2x minus 3x into dx. So here 2x plus 3x will become 5x. 2x minus 3x will become minus x. So we should write 1 by 2 integration of sine 5x minus sine x into dx, because 2x minus 3x is minus x. So sine lo minus unte bite kostadi. So sine of minus x is minus sine x. Now we have to integrate these two functions. 1 by 2 into integration of sine 5x will become minus cos 5x by 5. Similarly, minus of sine x integration is minus cos x plus c. Here we have to simplify. 1 by 2 into minus will become plus cos x minus cos 5x by 5 plus c. So this is our final solution for the given question. Similarly, we can solve one more question based on our second formula 2 cos a sin b. integration of cos 4x sin 2x dx. So here we have to use our second formula to solve the given question cos 4x into sin 2x dx. First of all, we have to multiply and divide with 2. So integration of 1 by 2 into 2 cos 4x sin 2x dx. Now the given question is of the form 2 cos A sin B, which is equal to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So here in place of A you are having 4x, in place of B you are having 2x. So it will become 1 by 2 integration of sin 4x plus 2x. Sin 4x plus 2x minus sin 4x minus 2x into dx. So here sin 4x plus 2x is sin 6x. So 1 by 2 integration of sin 6x minus sin 4x minus 2x will become sin 2x dx. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into, so integration of sin 6x is minus cos 6x by 6. Similarly, sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So minus into minus will become plus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So which is our final answer for the given question, integration of cos 4x into sin 2x dx. Now let us solve one more question based on our third formula. So here our next question is integration of cos 8x into cos 3x dx, which is of the form cos A cos B. Now we have to multiply and divide with 2. Here 1 by 2 into integration of 2 cos 8x cos 3x dx. Now it is of the form 2 cos A cos B formula, which is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So 1 by 2 into integration of cos of 8x plus 2x plus cos of 8x minus 2x into dx. Therefore 1 by 2 into integration of cos of 8x plus 2x will become cos of 10x plus cos of 8x minus 2x is 6x into dx. Now we have to integrate. Integration of cos 10x is sin 10x by 10, because integration of cos x is sin x. So sin 10x by 10 plus sin 6x by 6 plus c. Now let us see our last question, which is on fourth formula, integration of sin A sin B. So sin 4x sin x dx. So here the question is integration of sin 4x into sin x dx, which is of the form sin A into sin B. Here also we have to multiply and divide with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. 2 sin 4x into sin x dx. Now it is of the form 2 sin A sin B, which is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So integration of cos of A minus B is 4x minus x minus cos of A plus B is 4x plus x into dx. Now here 1 by 2 into cos of 4x minus x is 3x, cos of 4x plus x is 5x dx. Now here integration of cos x is minus sin x. Now the integration of cos 3x is minus sin 3x by 3. Similarly minus of, now Integration of sin x is minus cos x, but the integration of cos x is sin x only. So minus sin 5x by 5 plus c. So which is our final answer for the given question. So up to now we have discussed about 4 formulas, which are 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a cos b, and 2 sin a sin b. And also we have discussed about the problems related to these 4 formulas. Now we will discuss our second form of integral. Now the second form of integral is of the form integration of f of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx. Now here we have to take the substitution as x power n equal to t. So put x power n equal to t. Then after we have to differentiate both sides. So differentiation of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So from this we have to get x power n minus 1 into dx only. Therefore x power n minus 1 into dx is equal to dt by n. So it will become f of t dt by n, which is equal to 1 by n integration of f of t dt. So this is the standard form of integral which can be evaluated easily now. So here I have taken questions related to our second form. So in this first question is integration of x cube cos of x power 4 into dx. From this we have to consider x power 4 as t. So put x power 4 equal to t. Now we have to differentiate x power 4 and t. So you will get 4x power 3 dx is equal to dt. Differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. Now x cube into dx is equal to dt by 4. Now substitute in our question. Integration of cos of x power 4 will become cos t into x cube dx will become dt by 4. Then we can evaluate easily. 1 by 4 we should write outside cos t dt. So 1 by 4 integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos t is sin t only plus c. So again we have to replace t with x power 4 plus c. So which is our final answer. So we can evaluate any problem by using this method. Similarly we can solve this question also. Here also you have to write x cube dx by under root of 1 minus x power 8 as x power 4 whole square. We can write x power 8 as x power 4 whole square. Now we have to take x power 4 as t. So put x power 4 equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. 4 into x cube dx is equal to dt. So in the question you are having only x cube dx. So consider only x cube dx is equal to dt by 4 కిందికి వస్తుంది 4. Now substitute in the question. Integration of x cube dx can be written as dt by 4. dt by 4 divided by under root of 1 minus x power 4 as t. So square ఉంది కాబట్టి t square. 1 by 4 బయటికి రాసేయండి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by under root of 1 minus t square into dt. Now it is of the form 1 by under root of 1 minus x square formula, which is sin inverse x. So 1 by 4 into sin inverse t plus c. Now replace t with x power 4 plus c, which is our final answer. Now our next question is x into sin of x square into dx. So here also we have to take x square as t. So put x square is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. You will get 2x dx is equal to dt. So in the question you are having only x into dx. So put x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Now substitute here. Sine of x square is t. So sine t. X into dx is dt by 2. Substitute here. Now you have to write 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2 integration of sine t dt. Integration of sine t, you all know that minus cos t. Minus cos t plus c. Therefore minus 1 by 2 cos of, again replace t with x square plus c. So here also we have to take x square equal to t. So put x square is equal to t. Similarly differentiate both sides, you will get 2x dx is equal to dt. Then after substitute in the question, integration of e power x square is e power t. 2x dx will become dt. Now integration of e power t is again e power t only. After getting the answer, you have to replace t with x square, which is our final solution. Our next question is integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 into dx. First of all, we have to write x power 12 as x power 6 whole square. X power 5 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square dx. Now we have to consider x power 6 as t. So put x power 6 is equal to t. Then after differentiate both sides, you will get 6x power 5 into dx is equal to dt. Now x power 5 dx is equal to dt by 6. Now substitute in the given question as integration of x power 5 dx, we can substitute as dt by 6 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square can be written as t square. Now it is of the form 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square dx, which is known as tan inverse x. So tan inverse t plus c. 1 by 6 tan inverse t is replaced with x power 6 plus c, which is our final solution. Similarly, we can solve this question also. Directly we can take tan x is equal to t. So put tan x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides, you will get sec square x dx is equal to dt. So integration of sec square x dx can be written as dt in numerator, and under root of 1 minus tan square x can be taken as t square. Now the given question is of the form 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, which we know as sine inverse x. So sine inverse t plus c. So sine inverse t is replaced with tan x plus c, which is our final solution to the given question. Here in this question you have to consider e power root x is equal to t. So put e power root x is equal to t. Now we have to differentiate both sides now. E power root x is of the form e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only, but it is not x, it is root x. Again we have to differentiate root x. So root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. So in the question you are having only e power root x dx by root x. E power root x dx by root x. Here 2 is getting extra, so we have to cross multiply this 2 to dt. So e power root x into dx by root x is equal to 2 into dt. Now substitute in the question, integration of sine e power root x as t sine t, e power root x into dx by root x as 2 dt. So 2 dt. Therefore 2 into integration of sine t dt. which can be evaluated easily by using integration of sin x formula as minus cos t plus c. So minus 2 cos t is replaced with e power root x again plus c, which is our final solution. In this question, we have to consider tan inverse x as t. So put tan inverse x is equal to t. Then after you have to differentiate both sides, you will get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute in the question e power m into tan inverse x is t. So mt. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx will become dt. Now the given question is of the form e power x dx. So e power x is e power x only by m plus c. So again replace t with tan inverse x. So e power m into tan inverse x divided by m plus c. Now let us discuss about our third form, integration of f of g of x into g dash of x dx. So here the working rule for this third form is first of all we have to consider g of x as t. Put g of x is equal to t. Then you have to differentiate. So differentiation of g of x is g dash of x dx is equal to dt. Then you will substitute integration of f of t dt, which can be evaluated easily now. So this integration f of t dt can be evaluated with the help of the standard form known till now. Now our first question based on this third form is integration of e power x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. So here we have to take x plus 1 by x as t. So put x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Then we have to differentiate both sides. So differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to dt. So it will become e power t dt, which is equal to e power t only. Again replace t with x plus 1 by x plus c. So our next question is e power sin square x plus cos x into sin 2x minus sin x into dx. So here also you have to consider sin square x plus cos x as t. So put sin square x plus cos x is equal to t. Then after you have to differentiate both sides. Sin square x is of the form x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So it will become 2 into sin x. But it is not x, it is sin x. Again we have to differentiate sin x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x plus cos x differentiation is minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So 2 sin x cos x is one formula, which is equal to sin 2x minus sin x is equal to dt. Now we have to go for question e power t dt, which is equal to e power t plus c. So here this is replaced with t, this is replaced with dt. Therefore it is equal to e power t is again sin square x plus cos x plus c. So this is all about our third form. Now we shall move on to our fourth form. So here our fourth form is integration of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So here the working rule is, let us consider f of x is equal to t. Put f of x is equal to t. Then you have to differentiate both sides. So you'll get f dash of x dx is equal to dt. Then you'll get integration of t power n into dt, which can be evaluated easily as t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the working rule to solve our fourth form of integral. Let us see some questions on this fourth form. Integration of 2x plus 1 by 2x square plus 2x minus 4 whole power 7 into dx. So here we should bring denominator to the numerator. Integration of 2x square plus 2x minus 4 whole power minus 7. If we bring plus 7 to the numerator, it will become minus 7 into 2x plus 1 dx. Now we have to put 2x square plus 2x minus 4 as t. So put 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to t. Then we have to differentiate both sides. So it will become 2 2s are 4x plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0 equal to dt by dx. So here from this 4x plus 2 we can take common 2. So 2 into 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Therefore 2x plus 1 into dx will become dt by 2. So 2 కిందికి వస్తుంది. Now substitute in the question. Integration of t power minus 7 t power minus 7 into ఇది మొత్తం dt by 2 అయింది. సో dt by 2. సో 1 by 2 బయటికి రాసేయండి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ t power minus 7 dt. So which can be solved easily by using integration of x power n formula. So t power minus 7 plus 1 by minus 7 plus 1 plus c. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into t power minus 6 by minus 6. So 2 into 6 is 12. So minus 1 by 12 t power 6. Again we had to replace t with this assumption 2x square plus 2x minus 4. Therefore minus 1 by 12 into 2x square plus 2x minus 4 whole power minus 6 plus c. Now the next question is integration of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. Here also you have to put tan inverse x is equal to t. Now the power is 1 here. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. You will get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in the question now. Integration of t into dt. So t power 1 here. Integration of t power 1 is t power 2 by 2 plus c, which is equal to tan inverse x whole power 2 by 2 plus c. Now the next question is integration of sin x power 4 divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now here also the function is having the power 4. Now let us put sin inverse x is equal to t. Put sin inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. You will get 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute in the given question. Integration of t power 4 divided by dx by under root of 1 minus x square is dt. Now t power 4 can be evaluated easily by using integration of x power n formula. So you will get t power 5 by 5 plus c. So t is replaced with sin inverse x again. Sin inverse x whole power 5 by 5 plus c is our final solution. Similarly, we can solve the below question. Cos inverse x whole power 6 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. So here also we have to put cos inverse x as t. Cos inverse x is equal to t. Then after you have to differentiate both sides, you will get minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So you have to shift minus to right hand side. You will get 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to minus dt. Now substitute in the given question. You will get integration of t power 6 minus dt. So minus integration of t power 6 dt. So t power 6 can be evaluated easily by using exponent formulas, which is equal to minus of t power 7 by 7 plus c. So minus of cos inverse x whole power 7 by 7 plus c. Now the next question is 1 by x into log x whole square into dx. So here we have to put log x is equal to t. Therefore 1 by x dx will become dt. So integration of log x, we have to bring denominator power 2 to numerator. It will become minus 2 into dx by x. So it will become t power minus 2 into dt. T power minus 2 formula is t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So it will become t power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Again we have to replace t with log x. So log x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. So here also you have to take 1 plus log x as t. So put 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. You will get differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Therefore integration of 1 plus log x whole square will become t square into 1 by x log x is 1 by x dx is dt. Therefore t square integration is t cube by 3 plus c. But t is 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c, which is our final solution. Now we shall move on to our next form, that is fifth form, integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx. So here we have to put denominator equal to t, f of x equal to t. Then differentiate both sides. You will get f dash of x dx is equal to dt. Now it will become integration of dt by t. So we all know that integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. So this is one of the important form. Simple trick is, if the denominator differentiation is in the numerator, then we can write directly it as log of denominator plus c. Let us see some questions on this form. So here these are all the questions based on our fifth form. Now every question is of the form f dash of x divided by f of x into dx. Now here f of x is equal to denominator, that is 3x square plus 14x minus 5. Now we have to differentiate the denominator to get the numerator. So f dash of x is equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 14 1s are 14 minus 5 will become 0. So here 6x plus 14 is there in the numerator. So denominator differentiation is in numerator. Therefore we can write directly log of denominator plus c as our final answer. We can solve this question also. So here denominator is f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now we can differentiate f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 1. X square differentiation is 2x, x differentiation is 1. So here 2x minus 1 is there in the numerator. Hence denominator differentiation is in numerator. Then we can write directly our answer as log of denominator plus c. Similarly, we can solve these two questions also. Here f of x is denominator, which is equal to 6x square plus 22x plus 1. Now we have to do the differentiation of f of x, which is equal to f dash of x equal to 6 2s are 12x plus 22 1s are 22 plus 1 differentiation is 0. Now 12x plus 22 is in numerator. Therefore, we can write log of denominator plus c is our final solution. Similarly, we can solve this question also. Here f of x is equal to x plus log of sin x. Now we have to differentiate f of x. We can get differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of log sin x is of the form log x. Log x is 1 by x. So 1 by sin x. But it is not x, it is sin x. Again we have to differentiate sin x, you will get cos x. So it is equal to 1 plus cos x by sin x can also be written as cot x. Now 1 plus cot x is in numerator. Therefore, denominator differentiation is there in numerator. Therefore, we can write directly our answer as log of denominator x plus log sin x plus c as our final solution. Now let us move on to our next form, which is sixth form, integration of sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Here few different cases according to the values of m and n are discussed below. Case 1. Here m comma n are positive integers. So m and n are both positive integers. Since two numbers are positive, we can assume those two numbers may be even numbers, those two may be odd numbers, those two may be even or odd. So let us discuss now. Here m and n are considered as positive integers. Since these two numbers are positive integers, they may be odd. If m is odd, n is even. If m is odd, n is even, then we have to put cos x is equal to t. Similarly, if m is even, n is odd, then we have to put sin x is equal to t. If both the numbers m and n are odd only, since both the numbers are odd, then you will get one number is big number and one number is small number. Likewise, for example, 3 and 5. So m is 3, n is 5. Here 3 is less than 5. If m is less than n, then you have to put cos x is equal to t. If both the numbers are odd numbers but m is greater than n, let us assume m as 5, n as 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, then we have to put sin x is equal to t. So these four cases will come under case 1. Now let us move on to case 2. If m and n are both positive and even integers, so here our case 2 is if m and n are both positive integers and even integers, then you have to use one formula, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So these are the cases we have seen under the integral of the form integration of sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Now let us do some problems based on this case 1. So here the question is sin cube x into cos power 4x dx. First of all, you have to compare the given question with integration of sin power mx into cos power nx dx. So here m equal to 3, n equal to 4. So here m is odd, n is even. If m is odd, then we have to put cos x is equal to t. So here also you have to put cos x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides, you will get sin x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Therefore sin x dx is equal to minus dt. First of all, we have to simplify the given question. Integration of sin cube లో ఒక సైన్ ఉంచుకొని మిగిలిన రెండు సైన్లు కూడా కాస్కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. సో సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ కాస్ పవర్ 4x dx. సో మనకి ఓన్లీ వన్ సైన్ మాత్రమే అవసరం, మిగిలిన రెండు సైన్స్ కూడా కాస్కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో కాస్కి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఫార్ములా 1 మైనస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్తో రీప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో 1 మైనస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ కాస్ పవర్ 4x ఇంటూ సైన్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ రెండు కూడా మైనస్ డిటి రాయొచ్చు. సో అన్ని కాస్లలోకి కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వీ హ్యాడ్ టు రీప్లేస్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ విత్ టీ. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ t power 4 into minus dt. So it will become 1 into t power 4 minus t power 4 into t square t power 6 dt. Now minus to multiply చేయండి, minus t power 6 is plus t power 6 minus t power 4 dt. Now differentiate easily, integrate easily. t power 7 by 7 minus t power 5 by 5 plus c by using the formula integration of x power n dx. So it will get t power 7 by 7 minus t power 5 by 5. Again replace t with cos x. So cos x power 7 by 7 minus cos x power 5 by 5 plus c. So which is our final solution for the given question. Here we have seen only one case, which is m is even, m is odd, n is even. In the next question we shall discuss m is even, n is odd. Here in this question m equal to 6, which is even, n equal to 3, which is odd. Since m is even, n is odd, we have to put sin x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides, you will get cos x dx is equal to dt. So here question sin x లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో sin power 6x cos క్యూబ్ని cos square x into cos x dx రాయొచ్చు. సో cos square x can be replaced with 1 minus sin square x. So integration of sin power 6x into 1 minus sin square x into cos x dxని dt రాయొచ్చు. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ t power 6 1 minus t square dt. So it is equal to t power 6 into 1 t power 6, t power 6 into t square is t power 8. Bases are equal, power should be added. Now integrate easily. T power 6 is t power 7 by 7, t power 8 is t power 9 by 9 plus c. Now replace t with sin power 7x by 7 minus sin power 9x by 9 plus c. So this is our final solution for the given question. So here we have discussed two cases where m is even, n is odd, and where m is odd, n is even. In the next class, we will discuss if both the numbers are odd numbers, then what will happen? If both the numbers are even numbers, what is the solution for the given question? So today you have to do your homework based on our concepts discussed in today's class. So thank you all.